finally back together again after 10 years apart, this is the moment 14-year-old Raudatul Jana and her family never thought would happen. Her parents gave up hope of ever finding her alive after she was swept from their home in West Aceh during the devastating Boxing Day tsunami of 2004. According to Indonesian media, she was found more than 100 kilometers away and raised by a family of fishermen. A decade later, a family member spotted a girl in a village walking home from school who bore a striking resemblance to the lost girl. Raudatul's parents visited her in late June.
It's a mother's instinct. When I saw her, I knew she was the one. And we also saw her photos from childhood when we picked her up. That's her.
A remarkable reunion for one little girl and her family, but one tempered with sadness. One of Raudatul's brothers, who disappeared when the tsunami struck, is still missing. Tom Santorelli, BBC News.